Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Um, just got done with the touring. Swapped out the tires for the Cartier rims. The tires that were on this one before are just shot. They need new tires. So I thought I'd do a little thing and just switch tires. Give it a good wash. Suspension is looking great. I'm gonna have to check you guys around right now. Watch. She good, man. She looking real good. Got the moonroof open. Got the music bumping. Gotta give me a hood ornament for this one. No. She's running right now. And she's super quiet. Haven't driven this car in a minute, man. Check the oil. Oil level's great. Great color. Tranny fluid's great color. When I was putting these back rims on, I noticed that the brake pads were getting a little thin, so this may need a rear pads soon in the future. You guys know me, I'll make a video on that too. Yeah, just want to drop in and say hey, let you guys know how I'm doing. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there, to your families, you know. And until the next time, you guys stay blessed and see you then.